Hey guys, it's Jackson with Worldwide RV, and I'll be showing you today how slide toppers can add value to your RV and also protect it. The slide topper is an awning right here above the slide that helps protect from the sun and getting debris stuck in between your slide when you're pulling it in and out. The slide toppers make it so you don't have to come up every time and wipe off all the debris on top. It makes it a lot easier to just have these on top and do the work for me. It also keeps it cooler on the outside, so you save some of that AC energy. For example, right here, it's going to be 125 degrees. And this comes in at a steaming 144. Not only is this going to be making your camping experience more convenient, it's going to add thousands of dollars in value to your RV. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Jackson. If you have any questions on the slide toppers, shoot me a call or send it to my email.